YouTube, what's up? This is NASCAR 391 with my custom Lego Destroyer. This is the main head of it right there. And then you've got two legs. Then you got claws, tail. It's mainly like a big beast monster. You can unfold the legs like that to the main body. Couple one can unfold too, but I don't want to waste the time. What you really practically do is you fold up two droids and then stick their legs together. And now, what I think is pretty cool is because these claws, you can fold them like that. Take this off, smack it on like that. And then you got yourself a little mini Lego tank, which is awesome. So anyways, the other claw can do that too. I got two grapple hooks, and on the end of this tail is a gun. The tail is made completely out of Lego arms, and the whole entire machine itself is made of droid, about 10 droids, and let me think, 7 guns, yeah. So, I've been thinking about making more Minecraft videos now because I actually just got Hypercam, and I never have enough time to upload videos before my friends get on and just go on some other retarded websites like Roblox, stuff like that. They're heartbroken with Roblox. They say they are noobs. I actually just got Black Ops, and I've been playing live on my brother's account because apparently I can't afford it. Sad. It's being difficult trying to show you one of its other forms. Okay, I think I got it. And shoot. Fold the tail backwards like that. Move the body up. Sort of split the legs apart like that. Move the head up. And then you got your little scorpion mode, which I think is awesome. So I think that's all for now, YouTube. I'll see you later. And I'll try to get some more videos up. Bye, YouTube.